What's the meaning of adversary? Adversary. 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 Adversary refers to someone who opposes or goes against someone else's interests or goals. It can also refer to an enemy or opponent in a conflict or competition. The result of facing an adversary can range from minor inconveniences to major obstacles and challenges. Adversaries may use various tactics such as criticism, sabotage, and aggression to achieve their aims. Dealing with an adversary may require perseverance, strategic thinking, and effective communication skills. In some cases, it may be necessary to seek the help of others or to compromise in order to overcome an adversary.